OMG, this box weighs a ton. Allure, what did you send me in the month of October 2024? Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. Alright, so if you aren't aware of what the Allure Beauty Box is all about, it is a monthly beauty subscription which costs $25, and you get at least 6 products, 3 of which are guaranteed to be full size. The other products will be travel or deluxe samples. And you can get the box for even cheaper if you pay for 3 months or 6 months or up to a year at a time. So if anyone is interested, I do have a friend referral code listed in my description box. Don't feel obligated, but use somebody's discount code. All right, it does come with a booklet which will list all of the products and the full size value. All right, first item, wow. These are making the rounds. So this here are the Olay cleansing melts, which are a daily facial cleanser. I don't know if this is full size or a deluxe sample. I actually got this in my fall Walmart box, but with that one I only got a 4-pack. This has, I want to say, 8. And I actually got the same type. This is the vitamin C. I believe they come in at least one other scent, possibly more. And I think that these Olay cleansing wipes are from the sponsor, or not the sponsor, but I think this is an extra bonus product because it's on the back of that pamphlet. All right, this next product I believe is the culprit for why this box is so heavy. This here is from Mielle, and it's the Rosemary Mint Clarifying Sugar Scalp Scrub. This is a 6-ounce bottle, which I'm fairly certain is full size. Yes, full size. And wow, if you enjoy this product or like scalp scrubs, it retails for $9.99. All right, next item. Oh my goodness, this actually weighs more than that last product. This here is from OleHenriksen, and it's the Glow 2.0 Dark Spot Toner. I love toners. I have some dark spots, and OleHenriksen is a really nice brand. Wow, I thought for certain this would be glass because it's so heavy. It's not. This is plastic. It has a nice little tiny spout so you can pour it onto a cotton pad. All right, so this is full size. It's 6.5 ounces and retails for $35. All right, next product is very light. What are you? Okay, so this is from Skin & Co. and it's the Sicilian Light. I'm gonna need my friend here. What is this? It's a serum. All right, I'm gonna look in the booklet because this was hard to figure that part out. All right, I don't know if this is full size or not. Let's see what the little booklet has to say. Why, yes, this is full size. It's 30 ml and retails for, holy cow, $60. All right, I am never mad at skincare because I actually use skincare every single day. All right, this next product in this cute little pink box. This is Florence by Mielle. But what are you? Okay, so I could not figure it out, so I had to grab the little booklet. So this is the Yeah Hydrating Lip Oil. It's a tinted glow lip oil. Okay, so apparently you could have received a hydrating lip oil, the tinted glow lip oil, or the snooze lip mask. That did not help me figure out what I actually got. Okay, oh yes, I got the Glow Yay tinted lip oil. When I was reading those, I was like, oh, I hope I got the tinted one. Oh, well, I guess, assuming it's a good color. All right, it's like a very clear with a slight pink. Perfection. Because to me, this is similar or as close to a lip gloss as you can get. What does that retail for? $16. All right, there's a lot of stuff in this month's box. Next product. It's a weird packaging. Like when I felt it, I'm like, what is that? Oh, okay. It's, I say that. It's Liquid IV, which I know gets put in a lot of different boxes, which is a hydration multiplier. It has electrolytes. It's sugar-free. This pack here comes with white peach, lemon lime, green apple. Alrighty. I'm actually one of those weird people, I think I'm normal, who just likes plain water. It needs to be ice water, but I only drink water, no flavor packs at all. I am curious though, is that the sponsor? Okay, I think that's the sponsor. And I actually just finally saw the Olay in the booklet. What is that Olay? Oh, $9.99 for a 32 count. We get 12, so we do have a deluxe sample. All right, and then this last item is from Belif, and it's the Aqua Bomb Eye Gel. And I know I have received this in the past. All right. See the size of the box? Wait till you see the size of the product. What the? Can we kill a few more trees, please? Wow. Okay. So this definitely is not going to be full size, I don't think. Wait, let me check before I stick my foot in my mouth. How many mLs? Yes, okay. This is 5 ml, which is 1/3 full size, which is 15 ml. Full size retails for $32, so this is about $10.50. All right. Wait, no, there's one more product. Wow, we got a lot this month. This here is from Curology, and it's the Gentle Cleanser. Wait, I thought Curology is one of those where you sign up and you get like a special custom formula sent to you. Un momento while I read the booklet. All right, so this, yeah, Curology Cleanser retails for $12 for 80 ml. Doesn't mention anything about signing up. Maybe they've brought in and just are out and about. I don't know. Very interesting. Checking, yep, 80 ml, 2.7 fluid ounces. Wow. Let's recap everything that came in the October Allure box. So we got a cleanser from Curology, the Aqua Bomb Eye Gel from Belif, the Sicilian Light Serum from Skin & Co., a Sugar Scalp Scrub from Mielle, the Vitamin C Cleansing Melts from Olay, a Liquid IV Sample Pack, the Tinted Glow Lip Oil from Florence by Mills, and the Glow 2.0 Dark Spot Toner from OleHenriksen. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, holy cow, we got 8 products for $25. Now, is this the sexiest box ever? No, but I do love toners, and I'm intrigued about a toner that can handle dark spots, and this is from a really nice brand. Cleanser, middle of the road, but hey, I am going to use a cleanser. I love an eye cream, although this one I have received in some box or another. I do like serums, so yay to that. I've never tried anything from Florence by Mills, so I'm excited to give this product a try. And I do love a tinted lip oil. I'm not really into scalp scrubs, so this one I may set aside, but it's not the worst product in the world. This is Making the Towns. I'm seeing the ads, so I have a few more. And this one is the only true product in this box where, because I just don't personally use these types of products. But that is a bonus, like 2 extra bonus little samples. And how many full size? This is full size, full size, full size, full size, and full size. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, we got 5 full size and a sample. And then what I'm assuming are just like bonus sample products. That's amazing. I'm going to list the MSRP total value. Not that the value matters. I already know that this product, which retails for $60, doubles the price of the box. So everything else is bonus. I really like the Allure box. You get a variety of products. It's not makeup heavy, but it does have a good mix between skincare, hair care, and makeup. But now I want to hear from you. What do you think of this month's box? Is this a subscription that you would ever consider getting, or do you currently already have it? All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking on the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.